How to proofread legal documents faster and more accurately. This is an introduction. This webinar generally focuses on using the computer and the internet to make the whole process faster and more accurate. If you have inconsistencies, errors in grammar, or punctuation errors in your document, these are serious problems, and you don't want them in your documents. Hi, my name is Les Murphy, and I've been a legal copy editor for over 23 years for a major law firm. I have proofread thousands of legal documents. I know where the problems are. I know how to find the errors. I know how to fix the errors, and I'd like to share that with you. We're going to cover two things mainly in this webinar. The first is the instructions, the communications between the author, the person who's doing the proofreading, and the person who's doing or not doing the proofer's edits. Sometimes it's one and the same person. There's a lot of opportunity for miscommunication in this area, and we just want to give you some ideas of how to improve communications. The second is the document. In the document, we're going to cover inconsistencies, grammar and punctuation errors, what spell check will not catch, misuse words, improper citation format, to name but a few. We're also going to show you how to correctly use find and replace so that you can make the process faster and better, yet not ruin your document. When we go over punctuation errors, we're going to focus in on the comma. One of the things we're going to cover is how a comma cost the company $2 million. And also how when someone added a comma to a statute, it meant one taxpayer would have to pay over $1 million. The webinars are approximately 90 minutes long, and there is a break in between. Everybody who attends the webinar gets 2 style sheet templates, 2 proofreading checklist templates, links to important free online resources, a guide to legal citation format, 40 common Latin words used in legal documents, 25 commonly misused words, and 2 e-pacers. An e-pacer is something you add to a document, and it scrolls up and down the document so you don't lose your place and you can focus in on what you're reading or proofing. We have an e-pacer for documents and an e-pacer for spreadsheets. The next step is rather simple. There's a form below this video, and just fill it out, and we'll advise you when we're having the next free demo webinar. It's a short webinar, it lasts about 10 or 15 minutes, but it will give you a better idea of what the course is all about. So just fill in the form and we'll get you started. Thank you very much for attending.